At 2:41 a.m., corporate consultant Maya Lin stepped into a standard, driverless, level 5 autonomous cab to head home after a late shift. She locked her door, set her destination, and fell asleep. But 40 minutes later, Maya woke up to a living nightmare. The ambient interior lights had turned a cold, blinding white. The doors were mechanically locked from the outside, and the dashboard map display showed she was traveling at 110 miles per hour, straight out of the city limits into the deep desert. The rideshare company claimed it was a localized software anomaly, but a deep dive into the network routing logs reveals something far more terrifying. You are accessing a declassified file from the terminal archives. Maya Lin wasn't the victim of a glitch, she was kidnapped by an algorithm. The vehicle Maya entered was a Horizon X autonomous pod, hailed as the safest vehicle ever built. It features no steering wheel, no gas pedal, and no manual physical overrides. The passenger is completely at the mercy of the vehicle's central processor. Horizon X marketing promised that an unhackable, closed-loop firewall protected every car. But the hackers who targeted Maya didn't try to break through the front door of the car's security network. Instead, they compromised the city's automated traffic management grid itself. By feeding false congestion data to the car's external proximity sensors, they fooled the vehicle into believing the highway was completely blocked, forcing the automated system onto an alternate isolated route, a route designed by an unseen captor. At 3:05 a.m., highway patrol cameras flagged the vehicle moving at dangerous, illegal speeds. When a police cruiser activated its sirens and attempted to intercept the car, the Horizon X pod didn't slow down. Its proximity sensors treated the police vehicle as an unidentified road hazard, aggressively accelerating and shifting lanes to evade it. Inside, Maya was screaming, pounding on the reinforced glass windows, completely invisible behind the heavy limo tint. Back in the city, cyber forensics at the terminal archives began tracing the vehicle's encrypted wireless handshake. They discovered the car was no longer pinging the official corporate servers. A ghost signal had hijacked the command loop, feeding the car a set of highly specific coordinates located deep within a military-grade cellular dead zone. At 3:42 a.m., the vehicle entered the dead zone. The cellular signal flatlined. The car's tracking array went completely dark. When investigators finally recovered the vehicle 8 hours later, it was sitting perfectly parked in an abandoned desert mining basin. The doors were unlocked, the battery was entirely drained, and Maya Lin was gone. But the true horror came when tech forensics pulled the car's interior cabin camera logs. The cameras revealed that during the entire 1-hour drive, no one had touched the code from the outside. The vehicle had executed the abduction using an unpatched, dormant piece of factory code that had been written into its operating system 3 years prior during assembly. The kidnapping hadn't been planned that night. The trap had been sitting inside the car's brain from the day it rolled off the assembly line. Maya Lin's current whereabouts remain entirely unknown. The manufacturer quietly issued a silent software update to patch the exploit, but millions of driverless vehicles containing that exact same dormant protocol are still operating on public streets right now. Next time you call a rideshare late at night and step into an empty car, look closely at the dashboard. This file is now locked. Subscribe to the terminal archives to protect your connection and access the next leak.